Jelly on a plate, jelly on a plate. Wibble wobble, jelly on a plate. Grandma's nursery rhymes, YouTube 8. Cumberland Council 8. GracieLoFandom.com 10. Nursery Rhymes Collections.com 10. YouTube Blue 10. This simple verse is typically accompanied by a wiggling motion to mimic the wobble of jelly. It's a great way to get toddlers moving and laughing. Extended versions with food-themed fun. Many versions of the rhyme add verses featuring different foods and corresponding actions. Sausages in a pan. Sizzle, 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 sausages in a pan. TheSteaks.com 7. Nursery Rhymes Collections.com 7. YouTube 7. Noodles on a fork. Twirly whirly, twirly whirly. Noodles on a fork. Cumberland Council 3. Scottish Book Trust. Nursery Rhymes Collections.com 3. Popcorn in a pot. Popping, never stopping. Popcorn in a pot. YouTube 4. TheDan2.com 4. Nursery Rhymes Collections.com 4. Honey on a spoon. Honey on a spoon. Cumberland Council 2. TheDan2.com 2. Nursery Rhymes Collections.com 2. These editions encourage imaginative play and can be tailored to include a child's favorite foods. For more lyrics and ideas, you can visit the Scottish Book Trust's page on the rhyme. These editions encourage imaginative play and can be tailored to include a child's favorite foods. For more lyrics and ideas, you can visit the Scottish Book Trust's page on the rhyme. Come on.